Welcome to Dark Creation Studios. In this video, we'll be showing you guys how to draw a flower easy. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is drop in a small circle. Afterwards, we could start dropping in the petals. So we'll come out like this. And notice how it almost have like a heart shape. So we'll continue that shape all the way around. Just try your best to follow along guys. Take your time with it. Alright, cool. Alright, now that we have all the petals for our flower, we could go in here and we'll start adding a bit of detail to the actual petals itself. So we'll be drawing in these lines all the way around. Like that. Alright, nice. Alright guys, so as you can see, the stem already drawn in because for some reason this part didn't get recorded. I'm sorry. But if you have to draw the stem, you could just copy this. You can see just a simple curve coming down like that. Or to make it easier for yourself, you guys can draw two lines coming down for the stem. Alright, so now that we have our stem, we can draw in the leaves. So on the right, we'll just curve out like this and create this shape. And then we'll add in some details on the inside for the leaf. So just these lines here. Alright, nice. And for the left side, we will just do the same thing. Alright guys, so we finished with our flower. And as you can see, not too difficult. But with that being said, we're going to kick it into time-lapse to do all the final inking, and we'll be back. Alright guys, so we're back after the time-lapse, and as you can see, everything looking clean. However, our flower looks like it needs some life in it. So bam! There you have it guys, the final illustration. We hope you learned something, we hope you enjoyed, and we hope to see you guys on the next one. Alright, see ya.